In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to import trial balance into QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First of all, is that there are many ways on how you'd be able to do this. So now I'm just going to show you the first method on how you'd be able to import your trial balance. First of all, you want to click here on the new button right here in the top left. And then from here, you want to go under Other and then go for Journal Entry. And from here, you just basically would want to enter each line manually, like the account, the debit and credit values, description, name, the journal number, the date right there, and many more. You could always add more line if needed, or you could also clear all lines if you don't want to start from scratch. You can add your memo, attachment, and then you could also cancel this. You can clear everything. You can make recurring template for this one right here. And then you could now save this journal entry right here. So this is the manual method on how you'd be able to do it. Now here's another way that you can do it. First of all, you want to click here on this icon on the top right and go into the Find Apps option right here. And then you just simply want to search for an app called Import right here. So I'm just going to type in Import, and then you should have this one right here. So you Book import, export Excel, import Excel, Google Sheets, and many more. So there are actually a lot of apps that would let you do this easily. So one of my favorites is this one right here. So import Excel, Google Sheets, and so on. You could also try this app out and see if it works best for you. And if not, then you could also try other apps. The important thing here is that it would now let you import the file into QuickBooks. And now I'm going to click here on Get App Now. And then I would now be able to install it into my QuickBooks account. So I just have to wait for that and click here on Authorize. And now it's gonna get installed into my QuickBooks. And then from here, we just simply need to use that integration and click here on Connect. And now here we are on the app, and now you can now choose the transaction or list type you are going to import. So you can choose what you want right here. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one, this one, this one, and this one right here. And then click on Next. And then this is now where you can upload a file to be imported into your QuickBooks. So just upload your trial balance file in here, and then you will now be proceeding to step 3, selecting the spreadsheet, labeling or mapping it out. And then that's it. You would now be able to upload your data or trial balance in here in QuickBooks. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.